Welcome to how to delete Instagram comment on others post. So in this video we are going to show you how to delete your Instagram comment on anyone's post. So before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will just simply open up Instagram, and then from here what we are going to do is we will basically comment on someone's post. So I will just comment on this post here, and I will I will just comment nice here. And now here you can see that we don't have any option to remove this comment. Okay, so what else we can do is we can just tap on our profile, then tap on these three lines at the top right, then tap on your activity, and then tap on comments. And you can see here that our comment that we just did, okay, is just here. Okay, so we will tap on select, and we will select this comment, and we can delete it from here and tap on delete. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.